Hello, University students. Thank you for tuning into my video today. Today we have a very simple and easy video. I know how hard it was for me. I'm lying. It wasn't hard for me to pick up this hobby because my granny taught me. But I know how hard it may be for other people to pick up hobbies. And I'm an overthinker sometimes. So sometimes I get in my head and I think, how can I do this? When can I do this? How? What? Where? When? But don't worry. I got you today. I'm going to show you all the simple ways to just get a start in crochet. I'm going to be showing you how to do a slip knot. I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. And for a bonus, I'll also show you guys how to do the treble stitch. I know there's someone out there that's been putting off crocheting or picking up this hobby because they just don't know how to do it, or the YouTube channels that they're already seeing out there, they're not giving you a video in detail, or they're not really inviting. They're just a quick video on how to do it, and then that's it. But today, I'm inviting you, yes you, to come crochet with me and start off with the very simple steps that I took to start crocheting. So grab your hook and your yarn and come along. This is usually how you start most of your projects, unless you're doing a magic circle. This is the tail end of your work. You're going to clamp the tail end of your work with your thumb in order to get a grip on it. Then you're going to take your working yarn and cross it over your two fingers and make an X. You're going to take the yarn that is closest to your fingertips and closest to your index finger and pinky, and you're going to put your hook under that yarn. Then you're going to hook the top yarn and bring it under. Turn your hand towards you, take your fingers out and pull on the string. Now that you have your slip knot, I usually place my yarn over my index finger, under my two other fingers, and over my pinky. Then I grip right by the knot that creates the slip knot. I then yarn over. Yarn over just simply means push your hook under and pull through. Never push your yarn over because it makes it hard. And quite frankly, that's not the way to crochet. So in order to create the chain stitch, all you do is push your hook under and pull through. This is a continuous movement until you create the length that you desire. When you're done, you just cut your yarn, pull it through, and now it's tight.
For the single crochet, you're going to skip the first stitch, push your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull your yarn through, yarn over again, and pull that yarn through both loops on your hook.
If you were to continue your work, you would chain one, turn your work, and then continue. Put your hook under. If you were to continue your project for a couple rows, this is what the single crochet would look like. In the same place anyways. You are going to always remember to skip this first stitch. You're going to yarn over, place your hook through the stitch. You are going to yarn over, wrap your yarn, pull it through, so therefore you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over once more and pull that yarn through all 3 of those loops. Yarn over, push your yarn through, pull through, and then pull through all 3. You're going to chain 2 and turn your work if you wanted to continue. This is what the half double crochet looks like if you were to continue your work for a couple rows. Here's how to do the half double crochet. Here's how to do the double crochet. You're going to start off with a slip knot. You're going to make a chain of your desired length. You're going to make a slip knot. Then you're going to make a chain of your desired length. Always remember to skip this first stitch. So you're going to yarn over, push your hook through the second stitch, yarn over, pull through. So that leaves you with 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. If you were to continue your work, you chain 2, turn your work, and continue. Okay, you're going to yarn over twice, so you're going to push your hook under your working yarn once, and then you're going to do it again. Then you are going to put your hook. You are going to yarn over once, and then you are going to yarn over once more. You always remember to skip this first stitch. You are going to put your hook through this stitch, yarn over, pull through, leaving you with 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, leaving you with 3, yarn over, pull through the next 2, leaving you with 2, and yarn over again and pull through. You do that all the way to the end. I don't wanna do this with no one else. If you wanted to continue this project, chain 3, turn your work, yarn over twice, push it through the hook, 1.
This is what it would look like if you continued your work for a few rows.
Have it, treble, double crochet, half double crochet, a single crochet, and a chain stitch. All right, Yarniversity students, thank you for tuning into my video. And I hope you're inspired to at least try one of these stitches. If you didn't get it the first time that I explained it, you have the opportunity to watch it over and over and over again. I know that there's a lot of you looking at me kind of funny. I know I promised to have a giveaway for this channel. I know I didn't give out any instructions, and I know it seems like I'm lying, but I'm not lying. I don't break promises. I just twist them a bit to make it even better for you guys. I didn't expect the channel to grow so fast, and once I realized it was growing so fast, I said, let me wait until I hit the goal of 500 subscribers. So as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I was only gonna choose one giveaway for the 100 subscribers, but I couldn't figure out if I wanted to do a gift card or if I wanted to give away a gift card or if I wanted to give away a knitting machine. And it was kind of hard because I put out the poll and it was 50-50. And there's some people getting at me in the comments in the community center about not giving it away yet. What? I noticed that the channel is growing really fast, so once I hit that 500 subscribers, there'll be 2 giveaway winners. I'll be choosing 2 people, so one person will get the gift card and one person will get the knitting machine. I thank you again for tuning into my video, and I hope that you learned something today. I'd love to get more feedback on things that you'd like to learn from me. Even if I haven't tried out the specific stitch or pattern, I'll try it out for you guys just to see how hard or how easy it is. So leave suggestions down at the bottom for what you want me to try next. Alright, Yarniversity students, class is dismissed.